Good morning, friends. Look at this bright garden. The birds are singing, the breeze is blowing, and our little friend is ready to start her morning yoga. Let's join her and have fun stretching and smiling. We start our yoga practice with mountain pose to wake up our body and mind. Stand tall like a tree in tree pose to improve your balance and focus. Cobra Pose. Lift your chest and strengthen your back with Cobra Pose. Butterfly pose. Move your knees like butterfly wings in butterfly pose to open your hips. Standing side bend. Stretch to the side like a rainbow to open your body gently. Downward dog. Energize your body with downward dog, forming a gentle triangle. Bridge pose. Lift your hips and open your chest gently in bridge pose. Seated forward bend. Stretch forward gently in seated forward bend to calm your body and mind. Child's Pose. Rest your body gently in Child's Pose. Goddess Pose. Stand wide and bend your knees gently into Goddess Pose. Reach your arms to the sides and feel strong and powerful like a happy superhero. Low Lunge. Step forward and bend one knee into Low Lunge. Feel your legs stretching and your body standing tall. Great job. Keep your balance and breathe. Cloud breathing. Relax completely with cloud breathing and feel calm and peaceful. Great job, friends. You did amazing yoga today. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures.